Hi guys, this is Wonderware's Appliances and Airplanes, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this Klockis. So first of all, remove the plastic to protect the surface, and then install two AAA batteries. As you can see, all the switches light up. And then it shows the time. First of all, I set the time. As you can see, the default year says 2022, so let's set the time. Let's see. It is currently 12:01 right now, so yeah, you can hold it to go fast forward the time if you want to. And then, yes. So, let's see what. So, it is currently May 26th, as you can see. So yeah, put them on to 5 for May, and then we're gonna fast forward until it hits the 26th. Pressing again sets the year. Like I said earlier, the default year is 2022, and it is currently 2025. As you can see, when you change the date, the day of the week is also changing. This device has multiple functions, so currently shows us the time. It can even show the temperature in degrees Celsius or degrees Fahrenheit. Pretty neat, as you can see. And then the timer. The default shows nothing. I'm going to show you an example of a timer right now. So I'm going to set it to 15 seconds. No, I'll do 30 seconds. Okay. Okay, the timer's up. You can press any button to stop it. And then next comes the alarm time. You can set what time you want your alarm to be. In this case, let's do 12:05. If you see this icon, the alarm is on. This means the alarm is off. Now it's on. Now let's see the alarm time. Okay, so here are many ways you can stop the alarm. First of all, you can hit this button, and then yeah, finally goes back to the time. If you press the set button on the back, it will set the time. Look what happens if you press this other button. As you can see, the PM icon is not there anymore, so it means it's in 24-hour format. And if you hit it again, it's back in 12-hour mode. Like I said, in temperature, you can set between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit with this button. If you press the set button, it does nothing. If you press the up button on this mode, it does nothing. If you press the set button when the timer is running, nothing happens as well. Pressing set will set the timer. If you press the up button on the alarm, nothing happens. If you press the set button, the alarm goes off after you press the set button. And then goes back to the time. Anyway, that's it for this demonstration for the Klockis. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please leave a like, subscribe, and comment.